In this module, we will learn the inputs, tools and techniques, and outputs of the Manage Team process. Manage Project Team is the process of assuring that resource efforts are in line with their roles and responsibilities. This process includes tracking performance, resolving conflicts, updating plans, and recommending changes to how resources are utilized. This process focuses on many of the soft skills of project management. In order to maintain a highly performing team, it is important for the project manager to minimize conflict among the team members. This requires a proactive and empathetic approach to the identification and resolution of team member issues. The PMBOK guide defines 6 inputs to the Manage Team process. The key input is the Resource Management Plan. This document should describe how the project team will be managed. This may include planned approaches to how the management team will plan to proactively boost team morale, proactively identify conflict, and work to document and resolve conflict. Project team assignments includes a list of project team personnel that will be managed throughout the project lifecycle. Understanding the various types of team members that will be collaborating on the project may provide insight to management strategies. The team performance assessment may reveal the need for conflict management, particularly for teams in the storming and norming stages. An issue log may be used to document project problems, the person responsible for solving those problems, and how the issue was resolved. This helps ensure that issues are not forgotten or ignored and helps to capture lessons learned. Work Performance Reports provides a summary of project performance. This may be used to help link project team issues with project performance issues. Organizational process assets may contribute organizational policies for handling conflict and lessons learned. The PMBOK guide defines 5 types of interpersonal skills as tools and techniques to the Manage Team process. Interpersonal skills are techniques for the project manager to gain information on project status and team member attitudes. This can include verbal communication when the team members describe a problem, or nonverbal communication such as when team members are less attentive or excited about their work. Conflict management is a technique to prevent project issues from worsening. The ability to do this contributes to increased productivity and a more successful project. Conversely, not doing this is likely to lead to decreased productivity and project performance. Since team members are not always confrontational about their conflict, it is important to be proactive in identifying any conflicts which may exist. The most preferred conflict management technique is problem solving. Problem solving, also known as confronting, provides win-win resolutions where each affected party obtains their preferred resolution. While this is the best method, it may not always be achievable. Another preferred strategy is compromising. Compromising provides a resolution in which each party must give up something in order to reach a resolution. While the parties may be happy, this is referred to as a lose-lose resolution. A less preferable technique is smoothing. In smoothing, the manager tries to alleviate the worry rather than the conflict. Since a resolution is not actually reached, this is referred to as a lose-yield situation. In withdrawal, the manager may try to postpone discussing the conflict in hopes that it will not be brought up again or it's resolved on its own. This goes against the proactive theme of project management and is not a good resolution. Withdrawal is also known as lose-leave. Forcing provides a win-lose situation. One party's conflict is resolved while another party remains conflicted. This is not a preferred resolution. Decision-making may include negotiation or voting techniques, such as majority, plurality, or unanimity. Emotional intelligence is the ability to identify, access, and manage personal emotions of oneself and others. managers must be empathetic and proactive, using emotional intelligence to help reduce conflict among others. We will discuss influencing and leadership styles and techniques in a future module. Periodically, changes must be made to redistribute, reassign, or replace project resources. Since this can have an effect on the project schedule and budget, change requests can be issued as an output of the manage team process. Finally, many processes may lead to updates to the project management plan and/or project documents. Since the project management plan and other project documents are not subject to the same levels of approval that the baselines are, these updates will not require formal change control. Manage team is the process of assuring that resource efforts are in line with their roles and responsibilities. This process includes tracking performance, resolving conflicts, updating plans, and recommending changes to how resources are utilized. This process focuses on many of the soft skills of project management. In order to maintain a highly performing team, it is important for the project manager to minimize conflict among the team members. This requires a proactive and empathetic approach to the identification and resolution of team member issues.